man, you've been waiting for this.
Good.
Hey guys, welcome to Traventures, your #1 source for family travel information. Today, I want to give you the lowdown on Erwin Orchards. This is a cider mill in Michigan, and if you have ever been to Michigan or know anything about Michiganders, you will know that the cider mills are quintessential to the culture of Michigan. Basically, in the summertime and throughout the fall, Michiganders visit cider mills, and they go to do various kinds of fruit and vegetable picking, and they get extremely popular in the fall. And part of that is because that is when the apple harvest is, and they start making their delicious cider. And the cider is amazing. It's really kind of a local secret that I'm letting you in on here. So when you go to Erwin Orchards or any of the cider mills in Michigan, the thing that you want to make sure that you have on hand with you is cash. They do not accept credit cards at a lot of places. Some they do. At Erwin Orchards, they do not. For an entire bushel of apples, you're gonna be paying like 50 bucks. And for the cider and donuts, depending on how much you want, I think it's about like $7 for a dozen donuts, and I don't know, $4 or $5 for a gallon of cider. And then they take us in trailers out to the apples, and they have tons of orchards and tons of different kinds of apples. The local in the trailer with us told us that the best kind of apple to pick at Erwin's is the Empire apple. So we took their advice and got a whole bushel of Empire apples. They were right. They were delicious and crisp. I would say, however, that if you're wanting to make apple pie, they're not the sweetest apple, and instead I would go with something like a Gala or a Fuji. But these ones were very good, like just throw in your lunch apples. They always felt fresh. You're allowed to eat the apples while you're picking them, so my kids definitely took advantage of that and were always gnawing on an apple. And then as soon as we were done, they came and picked us up. They just have a trailer coming around every 15 minutes or so. At the main part of Erwin Orchards, that's where you can buy the cider and donuts. They also had a hay bale maze that, you know, wasn't actually a maze for adults, which enabled you to see all of the kids as they walked through the maze. But most of the kids just opted to like jumping on the hay bales. It's an amazing atmosphere there. Anywhere you go in Michigan, if there's a cider mill, just hit it up, because they are so much fun. It's a great family-friendly activity, and your kids will absolutely love it. And it's so much fun for the adults too. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see what our experience was like at Erwin Orchards, make sure you check out our companion channel, Tailored Tadpoles. There's a link at the end of this video. Peace.